Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio website on Weebly. First, you'll want to pick a template that truly highlights your best work. Think about what style best represents your brand. Next, choose a memorable domain name, something professional and easy for clients to find. Finally, create your Weebly account, filling in all the necessary details to get started. This simple setup ensures a smooth building process. Now it's time to bring your portfolio to life with your amazing content. Upload high-resolution images and videos that truly represent your skills. Remember, quality visuals make a huge impact. For each project, write a brief, engaging description that explains your role and the project's outcome. Group your work into logical categories, making it simple for visitors to explore your diverse talents. Personalizing your website is key to standing out. Adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to perfectly align with your unique brand identity. Don't forget to include an About Me page where you can share your story and a clear contact form for potential clients. Also, optimize your site with relevant keywords. This helps search engines find your portfolio, bringing more eyes to your incredible work. Before you hit publish, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues to ensure a polished presentation. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and publish your Weebly portfolio. It's exciting to share your hard work with the world. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home or office, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.